You may also want to pull in any of the measurement and analytics details here and anything else from the brief documents you have together, just to give your team a lay of the land. So a couple other setting adjustments to have that are really helpful. One, if you come up here into the program options, so one, I would highly recommend that you click on track all content shared by the program. This is something you want to have on because it's going to look at all the content throughout the program, not just the ones that you subscribe to and put in front. Also, I'd recommend that you keep this toggled on, pages as program hubs. This will keep all your content centralized within this program as a widget, which is really helpful. Content audit as well, again, keeps this as a widget inside of this page. So when you're looking at your sort of central hub here, you've got these widgets you can play with and better understand. Another thing you really want to do is you need to attach an audience to this program. So think of an audience like who is the field staff that's going to be impacted that we're really trying to measure here. So when you come to the audience section and you hit browse, locate the user group or the segment or multiple segments that are going to be included as an audience here. So it might be account executives and customer success managers, for example. You would select them from your user groups and they are going to be added as your audience. That's what you're going to measure against and know what success looks like here. Now, let's say you're running a small program. We always recommend starting at a kind of baby step to try to get some traction. If you like the way this is laid out for your sort of product launch or the Salesforce guide, you can come up to these three dots here and you can hit save as template. And what this is going to do is it's going to save everything you have here as one segmented template for you. So when you go to do future product launches, you can just replicate this template. It'll save all the settings and adjustments you have in here. Another helpful component of a good program is timing and making sure our milestones are set. So you can do a launch date here. If you hit select, you can choose the date in which it's going to launch. So just for example purposes, let's just say I choose the 1st of October here as my launch date. You'll see on the right-hand side, there's a column and I can adjust these things. So the planning may start, let's say on this date, but maybe my launch date or go live is going to be, let's say 60 days later on December 1st. And then from there, the project's going to end, let's say, on January 1st, and that's going to be when we're going to look back at those metrics. And of course, you can adjust these things how you see fit to kind of make sense of this. But those key dates are really helpful because it's going to give everybody some context around how big of a project this is, what our milestones are, and how to track within that.